Dear Samsung, please, I beg of you, please bring back MST. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Estima, back with another video. As you guys know, today we're going to be begging Samsung. I want to see maybe this video can get to Samsung and they can be able to put all what I said into consideration. So, dear Samsung, can you please give us MST back? Because this is a good feature. If you don't know, that it's easy for you to pay at any store which you like with your phone. Now I'm using the S9 Plus. I'm actually scared to upgrade because I know most of the features has been removed in new flagship devices. So please bring back MST. The second feature which I would love Samsung to bring back is the headphone jack. Please bring back the headphone jack. I have different headphones with me, different sizes, but there's no way the battery won't get low. I beg you, just give me this so that I can be able to enjoy more using my earpiece or my headphone. Please give me back the feature. It should be nice if I have an headphone jack in my phone. It's be for me to plug in and straight away I can do anything with my device, not actually waiting or doing anything or charging my headphone before I can use it or using my phone speaker. Please bring back the headphone jack. I would really appreciate it. There are lots of features which you can even do, like controlling Google and some other things using the headphone jack slot, and there's some other things like reading and receiving your notification and listening to your notification when you have your earpiece plugged, so you can actually press any button on your earpiece. This is like a play pause button. Once you press the button, it will give you the facility to able to listen to your notification. You can talk to Google and other features which are really nice, and also it doesn't really need for you to have your earpiece charged. It's using the internal battery of your phone, and you can do a lot more than using normal headphones, which will give you more baseline and stuff, because normal Bluetooth headphones are really stuff. They are not really as comfortable as what I will recommend, because some of them are mostly too basic or most too treblish or whatever. So we need the ones that is normal studio headphones to be able to use. And also if you someone that use your phone for editing, using your Bluetooth headset will not be advisable because of the latency which is in there, because of the Bluetooth signal before it gets to your headphone. It takes some seconds. So if you have a normal headphone, it's no latency because it's wired, and immediately you get the response of what you are listening to into your ears, and you can be able to edit well. And yeah, back to the video. Samsung, please bring back the heart rate monitor. Fine, I know I have this smartwatch active, I think the 1 or the 2, I don't even know, but I have the smartwatch active, but that doesn't mean that I don't like using it on my phone. Sometimes when my smartwatch is charging, and those period of time is the time I'll actually want to check maybe my heart blood or my stuff is okay, and I can use my phone instead of me plugging my watch. And also it was a really good feature with the dual aperture and stuff, but this I ask and I beg, give us back give us back this give us back the heart rate monitor, and it will be really appreciated. I beg you, just give us back the heart rate monitor. So the other one on the list which I want to beg Samsung to bring back to the phone is nothing other than expandable storage. So my phone is actually 128 gig version, but I can extend it to 400 GB, which is good using via memory card. There's no way that I've not even make this field up, because this is my daily driver for video making and games and chatting once in a while. It's my other phone that I use for that, but this phone is what I use for video making, and video is a lot of files. That's why recently my videos, if you check, is normal at 4K, is at normal 1080p. because I don't want the storage to get filled up fast. If I had expandable storage, I would not be afraid of that. So please bring back the expandable storage so that I can be able to save on that. I'm begging you. We need expandable storage, and just please give us expandable storage back. The fourth thing which I would love Samsung to do is that they like copying other companies. They should please just leave us fans of Samsung. They converted me. I was not really a Samsung fan. I was using HTC before, but now due to the fact that HTC stopped production, now I'm Samsung user, and it goes with my name, Sam. My name is Sam, if you don't know. And yeah, if you want to watch any video content, anything at all, games, I'll start comedy, video making, technology, anything, research and news, come and subscribe to this channel. Just press that subscribe button, like and share with your friend. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. You're going to enjoy it. It's only on my channel you find that. Games, fun, entertainment, funny skits, funny videos, and everything, even news that is coming, live videos of technological thing that is coming. If you don't know where to find it on my channel. Live CES, live this, live everything, live games, live. Even I'll do some illegal things for you guys to see live videos that you have to pay for that I'll make stream of on my channel. So please subscribe to this channel and subscribe to my other channel, because I'll be doing different things here. This one is for technology and some other game stuff, and the other channel is for comedy skits and some other things, but mainly both of them are still sharing the same videos. But subscribe to that channel. We are at 94 subscribers and we're still at 62 here, so please subscribe. So the other thing which I would love Samsung to actually put back into the device, as I was saying that they are copying on the device, is the charger. Please put charger back in the box. We really need it, because I'm using Samsung S9 Plus. The charger can't charge the new devices because of stuff, and I am a student. How do you expect me to buy normal charger wire, earbuds and everything? Just please include charger in the charging box, because there's no environmental whatever you're keeping, because the old charger will be forced to throw it away because it can be useful. And it's costing the same thing. Don't copy Apple. You tried to give us most of these features to this end part, but removing them is not making me scared to update or upgrade my phone, because I'm still satisfied with the features I have. So please give us back the charging cable. And if you have any other thing that you want to contribute, I'm free. You can talk to me. My WhatsApp, Instagram and Facebook details in the description. Let's talk. If you have more things to contribute about what Samsung should bring back, if you're a Samsung fanboy, drop that in the comment section below. I'll be dropping another banger very soon. So these are the few things which I want Samsung to bring back. Every other thing is fine by me. Plastic bags fine. I would love them to have glass on all their devices, but it's okay. I still prefer plastic because it won't break. And some other features, I don't really see any other thing they should upgrade than all those things to bring it back, because I know they are trying to work on the wireless phone that doesn't need any ports, but we still need it. We know that it's not yet done. There's still some latency in different things. There's still some power loss in wireless charging. There's still a lot of things. So please bring this feature back. If you are watching this Samsung, I'm a Samsung fanboy, if you want to know, and please try as much as possible to give us this feature. Thank you guys for watching today's episode. If you love it, please like, share and scatter the like button, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Smash it anyhow, with your leg, with your feet, with your body, whatever. Smash the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.